Greetings, welcome to my channel Blue Road Graphics. Today, I will teach you how to make a logo from scratch to finish, like this. The logo is for Yoga Institute, named Bloom Bliss Yoga. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay, create a new artboard of 1920 into 1080 pixels in RGB color mode. I will import the reference image that I drew for the reference. Then set it to the artboard and align it to center. Make it 50% transparency and name it as reference. Turn on guides by Ctrl+R and place accordingly. Create a new layer and name ours logo. Use letter Z to zoom in and out. A tip before drawing any logo in Illustrator, turn on Smart Guide and Snap to Point. These help a lot in logo process. Draw the sketch using pen tool. To give curveness to a line, click on a point and drag the mouse by clicking. It will make a curve. Let me increase the weight to view it properly. To make the other side, click on Reflect tool and click on Guide by holding to Alt button on keyboard. To join the two strokes, use Direct Selection tool and select the strokes, then right click and join on both the ends. Make a copy by holding on Alt button and drag it. Lock and hide the unnecessary paths so they don't disturb in the process. Adjust the size, then using pen tool draw the path. Then, select all and join by right click and join. Again select all the use shape builder tool and hold on Alt button and drag on not needed paths to delete them. To copy it onto the other side, select the path and use Reflect tool and click on Guide by holding Alt button and copy. Repeat the steps for next paths. To draw this, use curvature tool and click on the lines. Do the same over here too. Increase the stroke weight and style. Convert the stroke to path by selecting the stroke, object, path, and outline stroke. Draw this using the same steps as we'd done before. Okay, let's color it. Let me import the color palettes. I will paste the color coding description and on screen. We will use gradient here. Select the shape, then click on gradient and select the color by eyedropper tool. Repeat this to all shapes. Group them all, and lock layer. Create new layer for the text input. Click on text tool, and give the name of the company or institute. Here I use document variable concept font. Change the size and spacing of the text for the better touch. Use the guide to get properly aligned to the logo. Group them all. Thank you for watching. Do comment if you guys have any doubt in the tutorial. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If so, show some love by likes and comments. If you stayed this far, then do subscribe to my channel so you will get notified when I upload. It really motivates me doing more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.